Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. Day by day, we have completed almost 3 or 4 ETABS tutorial series where uh, we have completed about every basic, from A to Z of ETABS, that we can do any design or any analysis for any types of model by using ETABS. Then I have completed a STAAD Pro tutorial series. There I have almost I have made 36 video for a advanced to beginner level learner, and after that I'm going to I'm going to do the STAAD Foundation Advanced Tutorial Series. So here I will discuss with you about every types of foundation, and then how will analysis and design for that. So and here STAAD Foundation Advanced, and from CSI, this STAAD Foundation Advanced from Bentley, and they have another software where that is CSI SAFE SAFE, that is very useful for foundation design. And inshallah in next I will try to discuss about that software. And from now I'm going to start about STAAD Foundation Advanced Tutorial Series, lecture for beginner to advanced level. So let's start. At first I'll open our software here, STAAD Foundation Advanced. And one thing, suppose if you have no software, I mean if you have not that STAAD Foundation Advanced software, then you can download the link given in description, and already I have created a video on it, that how will download and install the STAAD Foundation Advanced. So in our first video I just want to show you something, that this is our starting page here. These are starting of our software, and from here you can click here enable auto save or enable backup. So we can click here enable auto save. Then suppose if you want to work on new, so you have to click here new. By clicking here you will new foundation file, you will open here from here. And suppose you have already worked, then you have to click here open. Suppose I have already worked about to file before that file, that's why they have two files. So by clicking any one here you can do your, suppose click here, so it will take some time to open. So we can here is our foundation, so we can open our foundation from here. So here from here we are able to open our foundation. Okay, so after that you can click here. By clicking here you can change the background color. Suppose this is black, you can click here for white. Okay, so here is the white color of your background. Okay, so previously I have worked, here is the geometry, our main, the geometry represent our main figure. Then here detail and schedule drawing. After our design or an analysis, we will find here these are schedule detailing, and here are detail drawing. So here is our detail drawing. Okay, so after that this is the graphical drawing. And here this is the calculation sheet, and as I haven't analysis, so they have no calculation sheet. Okay, this is the graph, and this is the start page. So I think it's clear to you about that basic of our software. So and this is a from here import STAAD Pro. Import STAAD Pro. Suppose you have make a model on STAAD Pro. Now you want to design that in all of that foundation in at a time. So we're able to use that STAAD Foundation Advanced software to do that. After that, here import a spreadsheet, and after that we're able to import a STAAD Foundation file from here. So day by day I'll try to discuss about every part and every work about STAAD Foundation. Then from here the current load, I mean which types of load we have already applied it. And here is our current load. I mean in our previous work I have done with that load, and here current job, they have one job only. So here unit setup, by clicking here you will be able to unit setup, then scale setup. From here you will be able to scale setup, I mean which types of scale you want to scaling, when to show. Here is the isometric view of our model. By clicking here, by here front view, back view, side view. Has the side view from left, view from top view. Has the animation. By clicking here we are able to see the animation. Just this is the here. By clicking here, add here add load reaction, load column reaction. So here is the grid system. If you want to see grid or not, by clicking here you will be able to see that. And here just that is the shortcut of import STAAD Pro Foundation. This is just shortcut. Here is the 3D view, 2D view. Okay, so here general foundation mode. By from here foundation plan, from here we'll provide our foundation plan and also our column position and column dimension. So from here the load factor, from here we'll provide load, and after that soil properties, from here we'll provide soil properties. Then here job setup. So from here we'll do our job setup, I mean which types of foundation it is we are working. So suppose click here, create a job, I'm showing you. So from here we can see that which types of foundation we can work: isolated or single, pile cap, mat, combined, octagonal, strap. Okay, rivet beam, and vibrating mechanical foundation. So these types of foundation we can work from here. And here design code, and I will show you about every code. I'll show you about every code from here. So in tutorial to tutorial, and here also after final work we'll found that design parameter. From here we have to give here our design parameter, I mean our concrete or reinforcement or cover and soil footing, geometry, the size of geometry, slide and overturning, then design, then detail output. So we can output our total detail file in our STAAD Foundation. So this, and by clicking here after every work, by clicking here we're able to design or analysis our model. So this is the total interference of that STAAD Foundation Advanced and introduction of it. So in our next video I will try to start about STAAD Foundation, and I'll show you about single footing design and analysis. And if you're new here, you can watch the previous video. They have available many video. They have many video on civil engineering related video. So if you are very interested on that, then you can watch our previous video. I have already covered ETABS, then STAAD Pro, then AutoCAD, SDSM, statistical downscaling model, and now I'm going to start about. And here you will be able to download and finding any kinds of related software that's required in our departmental work or departmental basic software. So you'll be able to find out that, I think so. So thank you very much. S12 stay connected till next video.